Hi, I'm Helen from Helen's House and Garden. In this video, I'm going to show you how to caulk like a pro. Using this method, you'll be able to get lovely, clean, straight lines, even if you're trying to caulk or silicone and one of the surface or both of the surfaces are rough. You may have noticed in my videos that I'm redecorating my kitchen, and I've got to the stage where the backsplash, which is a rough texture, needs to be sealed against the tiles. I always hated doing silicone or caulking, especially the long runs, because I could never get the edges neat. But with this method, using decorator's tape, you can get really neat, smooth lines, no matter how rough or smooth the surface you're working on is. Alan's going to demonstrate and I'll talk you through it. Using decorator's tape, you want to line the two sides, either side of the area that you need to seal. Spend a little bit of time getting this straight and making sure that the tape is pressed down firmly. This is what is going to give you your straight line. The second line of tape goes the opposite side to where you need to caulk or silicone seal, and this forms a channel with a gap for you to run the bead of sealant along. Work around the whole area where you need to seal with this method, and you should end up with the gap looking like this. Using your sealant in a caulking gun, run a bead of sealant between the tape, then dip your finger in some water to wet it and run your finger along the sealant, wiping off any excess sealant on a damp cloth as you go along. Once you've finished that stage, the caulk or sealant should look something like this. Carefully remove all the masking tape from the surfaces. The sealant will still be wet, and you want to do it whilst it's wet so that the tape lifts any excess sealant away and it gives you these perfect straight lines, which is exactly what you're after. Here's a quick spin around the kitchen to show you the final result. And if you like my videos, please hit me up for a like, share, subscribe. Ring the bell for notifications. You can always buy me a coffee. I've put some links down in the comments below. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll do my best to answer them. And if you have any top tips, write them down in comments so we can all learn. But for now, take care and I shall be seeing you.